If you use Windows, the Windows+R shortcut is very handy for launching apps. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about what to do if Windows+R isn't working on your Windows 11 PC. Now, the first thing to do when something like this happens is to check your keyboard if your Windows key is broken. If it's not and your keyboard is physically fine, check your keyboard for Windows lock. A lot of gaming keyboards and some other keyboards have an option where you can lock the Windows key so that you don't accidentally hit it when playing a game. To resolve this, just press down Fn and press the Windows key on your PC. If the Windows lock is off, you should be able to see the start menu come on, and if not, then we can proceed to the next step, which is fixing your keyboard's drivers. Now, to do this, click on the Windows menu, right click, and then click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, what we are going to do is heading over to our keyboards. You will see a bunch of keyboards here. Now what we're going to do is just right click, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers, and then make sure that the best drivers for the device are already installed. If that is the case, you can close this and then repeat the process with every other keyboard device entry in here. If that doesn't work either, there is a chance that something might be wrong with your Windows installation. To fix that, we can do two things. We can either run the sfc command to try and see if we can fix our system, or we can go ahead and restore it. To run the sfc command, open up the Windows menu and search for command prompt. Go ahead and press enter when it opens up. Now in here we are going to type in sfc/scan now and press enter. This will check your system for any broken files or installation issues, and will re-download and fetch those files again just to get your system health back up and running. If that doesn't fix your problem, the last resort you have is to reset your Windows system entirely. To do this, press actually you can't press Windows, so open up the Windows settings or the Windows menu and search for Windows settings or just settings. Once this opens up, head over to system. Then you should scroll down to find recovery here, and under recovery we have a couple of options here. So we can try fixing the PC without resetting, but this will most likely not work because you may be missing important files. So the easiest method to resolve this is to just try fixing the problem without resetting your PC, if that helps. If not, come down to the reset PC option, click on this button, and from here you can choose to whether or not remove everything or keep your files when you're reinstalling Windows, and that should get the problem solved. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.